Okay, so here's the hat. Here's the hat. It's one of those velvet hats, okay? And I have all of these appliques. So I think an applique on the hat, and we'll embellish it with lots of bling, but I want to be able to embellish it with some of my pieces. At least one. This is some kind of applique, huh? I want to do something like, let's get this. What do you all think about that? With it hanging off the hat. So, like that. I was gonna glue them on, but I decided I want to do the heat tool. So, let me plug this in. We're gonna pick a, let's see, I want a color, but I think I'm gonna pick this rose. I think number 11, no, number 11 is fuchsia. Do I want, yeah, I want fuchsia. And you use the other side to push them around where you want them. And I'm going to place these right where I want them. Because the hat is so dark, I'm going to pick this lighter green, and then I'm going to pick number 5. I think number 5 is yellow, but it's more of, if you put it on something yellow, it's very yellow. I'm not going to cover this in bling. We're going to accent it. I want it to be really blingy, but for right now, this is where we're going with this. Hold on, hold on. Let me show you the bling. Can you see the bling? Look at what I did with the center. I'll just hold this up this way again. That was a good way to do it. Okay, there's some plastic in here. I'm going to leave that in here. And you want to make sure there's no strings or anything on your hat. And we want to go this direction. And do that. Yeah, I'll be able to bling this up. I have a fresh new bottle of Fabri-Tac. So I'm going to use Fabri-Tac. Number one, I'm going to use it up because I don't use it for my journaling. Number two, I'm going to use it because I know that it'll work. So I'm going to start with one area. Oh. One right there. That one's down. That one's pretty well down. I'm going to go ahead and clip them. Okay. This didn't get any glue on it. Making sure everything got glue on it. This needs glue on it. Put some fun stuff on this. Let me see here. I think I'm going to leave that on there just for a few more minutes. Okay. Now, we've got the bird that we can put on there. And in all actuality, we don't have to put that bird on there permanently. That bird, let me trim this. That bird is a brooch, so it could be changed out if you wanted to change it out. I love to use brooches on my hats. Brooch on the hat. Okay. This dries really quickly, so that should be fine now. What do you think?
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.